So we start out today's video with this classic bob haircut. This one does feature an angle, longer in the front, shorter in the back. Absolutely stunning. I love the simplicity of this. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we'll be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have this stylist putting in some layers. Gorgeous bob haircut. Followed by a really uniquely colored bob style. So she has platinum at the top and turquoise going there at the bottom. Looks like she also has some turquoise at the roots. Wow, this is absolutely stunning. Loving the color combination with this one. And then we have a mullet correction. So as you guys know, the mullet is trending heavily right now. Stylist does a beautiful shaping to help frame out the face. Looks like she also got some baby bangs, very trendy style right now. Oh, loving it. I actually really like the mullet trend. I just think that it is so, I just love the retro aspect of it, and it just also looks modern to me at the same time. If you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, don't forget to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a bob haircut complete with some color. The color looks like a really pretty reddish brown shade. And she did a nice chic bob haircut, added in some waves, really giving it that tousled look. Next up, it looks like we have another bob haircut here. So she has more of like a beige blonde color. Oh, we kind of did more of like a wolf cut with this one. Really pretty. And then we see someone with some beautiful curly hair. The stylist cuts the hair. Looks like she's going to be getting like a tapered cut. Great way to rock out curly hair. She also dyed the hair a really pretty burgundy tone and defined the hair. Gorgeous. And the taper cut is a very popular hair trend for curly and natural strands. And I am loving that color. So pretty. Next up, we see someone with blue hair. Now, this is a really pretty hair color. It's like the perfect shade of blue. Looks like the stylist is doing yet another bob. Gorgeous bangs in the front. I really like the overall texture and shape of this. Has so much bounce, so much body, and I think it's just accented perfectly with the color. Wow. And she added a really nice, messy, wavy texture to it as well. Gorgeous. And then here we have another bob haircut. Oh, gorgeous pixie bob, mini bob variation. Absolutely stunning. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hairstyles with me. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.